most relevant areas. Alaj.
Akoma FM.
Baraka de Salah.
87.9 Kumasi.
Bibi aboko dia.
Bibi aboko.
Na Alaj wo ya wo dia no anane. Cause I said bi mu ko masalachi na zubi mu ko.
Andra me yes Salah.
Andra yes Salah.
Yes Salah.
Okay.
Me family nyina.
Oh okay.
Salah ewo pachi.
Oh okay. I see. I see. Na afi we ya na Ramadan die yi no. We Eid al-Fitr. Yeah. We no die no. Enam no ya na te say. Ye we na we nam na pa na say enam de no we kire ho.
Me ya da say.
On be say me hu na me wi am fam before na me fra.
Saturday.
Me hu ha me come in say me. Because I have a lot of friends.
Saturday.
Na me wi am mechi omu nya me chia wa na ma take with me wi am fra.
Yes.
Benjamin nam.
They are going to say we ni ya nam but kasiye pa ni ya Eid al-Adha.
Oh okay.
Eid al-Adha no ya Tom wano ebo afodie.
Okay.
According to say almost everybody obia na honde so a otimi eto omwana bi ebe ekomti ono no e wosoro chan Eid al-Fitr.
Oh okay, so we no there 30 days na journey na you wie no and ye bompa na ya kan no kakra
87.9
I see. So it means that ebani say ya mo so amoye nam ho adwuma no eya na mo expectation won nam to ho no eya na te say ya na wosoro and this one the mu ni said there be enye enam no dodo na na ya wie ntino mo should I expect much from the market
this time round yeah you turn no and should I expect so much patronage to say it'll had that idea no but a cost crab because once it be or the £1 you one fee we no buy be or the back one I mean
87.9 Kumasi
back one I mean back one man £3 and I be bisa until also at me cost crab but we don't expect it like it'll had yes
oh I see
that is how it is
nti what I will share majuma amaye over the years I feed the anything saying. Even though expectation in your match, but yes. I'm compare a Juma Moye this the last year and this year. Senate year.
Yeah, I was you know be idea to or my way my to and they will be idea to me say things are difficult, very, very difficult. And we are not exceptional. We are also part of that particular we hear Juma this particular year. Problems no adore so because anima p factors p emma adwuma na nya da kura this particular year yes because one exchange rate no no na ekun ya kura kasi
ada mo so exchange rate mo de
yes nti yamfa ne say
because I don't get it because yes. More exchange rate more cotton indo more cotton
yes so mwano 70% of mwano every neighboring countries like Burkina Mali
87.9 Kumasi
French speaking countries no na mwano every ati wo kwa wo hia safe and na watima akwa to mwano na currently as I speak to you wo hia titi scan 220 million 220 million cedis to change 1 million safer. Me no kase ndaya, me no kase.
That here
22,000.
22,000.
Yeah, to be able
cedis.
To change 1 million safer. Abra 1 million safer.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay, mo mi no mo be na okay.
Na ntwe mi no.
Nti enye specific.
Ntimi to na ntwe mi no.
200 and Jimmy Fan say, oh, the M5
yes.
22,000
yes.
Which is 220 million old cedis.
Yes.
Intimate ton and trim, you know.
David. Okobo Kida, how intimate ton and trim, you know. Now, recently, you know, say fuel increases in Suabum. So you look at the journey transport. One be free honor, my bedroom has seen, you know.
Nah. So between what period now, and a Cosrosa? Last year, here from last year, but the last time, last year, this year.
So last year by this time,
jump increment.
So last year by this time, now a battle between 16 to 17,000 per 1 million safer. Ndami no kasa is 222 million.
From 16,000 to 22,000.
To 22,000 within 12 months. And that is a reality. Obetima akwa find out.
Moya na mo pass it on the cost into year.
So that is the most difficult area Emma Nankwasi Ejumano. Because Ejumano Ejuma and Anama Adriania Sebio and like the way we top it through, Waka top it through, Nika top it through, Sana that be a winam. So it become very difficult. Say you be there, ben. A bit more increase and nominal time be Nti a basa a jumano echo from pa. And that is what is currently going on.
Wow. About 70% of
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi, Burkina, Mali, but Osha 70%, you know. I have a pan of Tom money free pa.
Yeah, baby, I had Tom one pa Burkina for sure. Yes.
Burkina the hair.
Yeah, Burkina higher.
Burkina hair na cost no etisano. I don't know.
Yes, it's a safer. It's a safer, and your seed in here very weak, and that is a main. A seed in here very very weak.
The 30% no Ghana here,
Ghana
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And you know, quite first why idea our Ghana has seen, and also why a friend has seen. And finally, so be the safer I could talk be aba. Not autumn. Well, which Ghana has said, you also look at the market price, not autumn. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
It's Osha Ashanti Mantem ha. Oh yeah, Chief Butcher our idea. Let's deal with Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Within a year, mutiminya data of a more mwankasa mwakofa free the neighboring countries.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Let me use even our plant here. Kumasi about 12. Currently, our minimum slaughter is 150 animals a day.
150
animals a day. Just
say a year. Nanchie 150 a day.
A day.
I'm turning in a manasa.
Yes, to me tongue because you're come. And punching my enjoying my I'm dealing with Nanchie and I have other two facilities Omokum Nanchie, I can Swami or Mokum Kakra. To buy
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi line Honor, although it is not an approved area, but so we are working towards to get all of them move back to the abattoir premises. Until we can a boom, let's even assume that 200 animals will be slaughtered in Ashanti region. In Kumasi, a day, not Ashanti region. 200 animals, cattle. Will be slaughtered. Yes, so you are talking about 6,000 animals being slaughtered every month.
Akoma FM 87.9
yes, about 6,000 cattle being slaughtered every month. Yes, but on Ponche, no enjoying there. We have baby I come on Ponche, no enjoying. We have more than 600 a day. Ashanti region has it. I come more than 600 a day.
Enti more. Ajuma amoyeno. More imports. Amoyeno abafom. So here sika okase ube here na uhia 16,000. So betimi aton entwemi.
Akoma FM
87.9 relatively ba kubia ye be
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Asat last year.
Yeah, Asat last year.
But on entry back 8,000.
Yes.
But the nay, we could have 11,000 a bit more tobacco. Okay, into enya effect be war the number of an entry a multimedia back cream and I say you are still making efforts and with me. I maintain more standard, no.
Yes, and effect just last month no what you say your patronage and now you're slaughtering a buffum because you're enough animals to say and then you're power more because the more seeding and I say
87.9
the number of animals are emphasized an individual be bet me idea banner just okopiska aka nesika ho ansa na otimanya same animals are emphasize na me di 10 eba mboa say fa na 18,000 and 19,000 na me di mboa 10 eba nti say fa no ko 22,000 a mentimi meet 10 ebia me di aba ni 7 mentimi fa 10 anya de ban amba because safe no ankasa na exchange rate ankasa no ati medwade no so until the number of animals are yenya no entimi nya de ban embasa until eba no sa na competition abam ebia we di 10 aba we di 10 aba we di 10 aba ya addition na ebia 500 and 600 animals na e wokra honoma enim say ubetimi abagene anya ammoa no on the in a price ebetimi aboa but the kobase ibia out of 600 na sisi 200 and 300 na 300 animals na obenya say your core market bini ho nti price no ebe de ebe kosoro and that is what we are facing now.
So money aban wo hihye bi wo ho mo kofa mo ne ba mo tua taxes bi aban no euro bi o play wo niam mo de ba mu.
Yeah, that is the sad aspect of Omaya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
In the sense that I have said it over and over and over again. There is no economy in this world. A very strong. We namjuma. You can name the USA, Australia, Denmark, India, Brazil. All those countries in maybe Canada, those countries in Okohe namjuma kwaya namjuma efaswa contributed to economy. You can obaga say and so uko now uko 5 yeah we check that that is what is going on in those countries. But in our part of the world, namjuma has been thrown away because sana yabekano now
Ana had no buying pay attention
attention bia ni honum me fa the current government eti eco 8 years yan hunum any impact aban we adiaba namdwuma mo because before 1998 na namnakura na yakumna on the old slaughterhouse you had see and then abattoir was being built by Jerijan Rollis or the Rizi namjuma no kakra because na first no and I'm saying na kwan ya faso na ya na bebrebe no empenam no adwuma no but omo be hon say sa facility na be ka ho no ma nipa kon edonam nti ya slaughtering eye dey be because in the old slaughterhouse na ya Akoma 60 70
a day
but you be see abattoir
the Kumasi abattoir asem na kan
yes Kumasi abattoir you be here abattoir no raise up to 300 animals a day ya kumbisa ewa hasi eda 300 animal cattle a day na yetime kum
you see above from to 150
up to 150 and those kind of things but no explanation womb explanation womb because in the sense that first no the size of animals are na di bano na was nothing to write
okay nti just mo na mo form do umba this time almost so say Canadian
okay because of transport and those kind of things we go fa mo kitty because the same price now be
Akoma FM 87.9
400 kilos of meat now go for 20 kilos of more nyina wetua so because of that ya change kakra nti mo a ye ba no so apart from putting up this particular abattoir no in 1998 your commission in 1998 no ko payment no obi biara ban biara ni hono ma oba ya odi pini kura beka ho abiem
ko kan sa o saying
say aban bia
de na mo de adwuma na say facility no ye ba be renovate aye ho adwuma e mo de he na be
so everyone is bia see an improve abattoir asi ho no here say aban bi ba obetima be bibia aka ho obetima be improve sector no ama sector no aye de aban
akonanim
and since 1998 company then bibi sa ni ho it is the butchers and the company itself na manager and bebre name company no is not a purely private company.
Some were board.
Yeah, were board company.
Board no why na constituted the board no.
Yes.
Aban na set up the board.
Aban were representative on the
Akoma FM 87.9
the highest shareholder within the company. Currently, as I speak to you, na Aban eka ho, and then butchers,
most share.
Yeah, shares in the company. Na butchers so ho, and then also currently na me nimse ambe and say first na KMA. Before I ever sa we. So
to say they are squat. Is it by Asukwa? Say is it more pretty and Asukwa?
Yeah, pretend
that status no
as at that time no. Na KMA contribution your land na.
Okay. 87.9.
That one meant to me say Asukwa na KMA currently as I speak to you, but as at that time no. And then Senate also came in. Senate na Canadian government these equipments in Ghana government as a grant. And ma Ghana by say me po bia obetima de ne sika aye de ben aboa ma yatime assemble plant no. So Senator Kuraba as social omo ba one of their social intervention projects omo ye de ben omo de ye de ben omo buy ebe ye. But at the end of the day no obia converted the odi buy to their shares into Senate government KMA and then the butchers, they constitute the board currently as I speak to you.
I see. And more issues be more therefore more board no are discussing presenting it to government, say government to one more as we speak. I buy into one among. Yes. I'm not even looking at this government alone. Maybe I'm making efforts be from the previous government. I buy into.
Yes. I mean, I was a member to the board for. I sat on the board for 13 good years.
30 years.
13 years.
The Ben of Frizo.
Frizo Ajagakra.
Okay, I see.
Frizo Ajagakra.
I see.
We were the pioneers over there. I see. I came to meet even the first board chairman.
Okay.
Jacob Mintes. Also.
Okay.
We have made several attempts to get government involved. Na that particular attention, and I believe that I believe that a sector nankasa amount for sector because we be can na at the end of the day no omo won't me who say buapayo ana omo nti sector na sentina yam fasika mbe share honum na. That is another thing to think about to talk about. But currently as I speak to you, maybe the chairman, because now I'm a chairman of one of the associations over there. Now I'm representing the association. But maybe a chief butcher, no, I have did several writings to Abai and also Ankra Juma, and one of because maybe by and there is an NGO called the FAO Ghana, Food and Agricultural Organization. Maybe and no more system no more that.
Akoma FM 87.9.
There ben Juma boom. Once the Oba say na first no na to me you say car tie to turn no those kind of things through this particular NGO.
Saudi no mo jai.
Yeah, jai.
Any hobby.
Apart
from Kumasi Abattoir, other places.
Other places in there. True.
Now me person you benya brashem how mo adwuma ni sitie.
Yes.
Then call us benya opportunity.
Yeah.
Ebi obi ho question me bisa. Wa call baby you kum nam the officially baby amomo anopewa kan wase me baby miensa ayo ho na mo ankasa ma sanction say omun kum nam ho me wa within the Ashanti region and mo within the assemblies so mo dia
within the Ashanti region baby ana ya sanction because baby I mean him say FDA for ma omo permit say omo nya adwuma the abattoir and then the swami.
Okay.
Swami.
And the official, almost sanction.
Yeah, almost.
Okay.
Almost sanction. But others, we, the butchers, the leaders of the butchers in the crowd, we are fighting it. We are making sure that Ombajai, Abba, the right places to do it. But an abattoir is an improved place because there be a Edika crack.
Okay. All right. Okay. I was for Yane Alhaji. Ibrahim Wahab, the Ashanti Regional Chief Butcher. Ena yedi nkomo yi. Me ba me twam ho abatew me ba. Uba to me the voice note still aba. I was 0244 71